Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So most people solve this question like 12 divide 3 is equal to 4. Then 2 minus 4 is equal to minus 2. Now 4 multiply minus 2 is equal to minus 8. But here they are wrong because this answer is completely wrong. This answer is not correct. Okay. Now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay. PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS rule, first priority is parenthesis, then exponent, M means multiplication, D means division, A means addition, and S means subtraction. Okay. So first priority is parenthesis, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Both have equal priority. Okay. And last priority is addition and subtraction. Also both have equal priority. So in this question, one is division, one multiplication, and one subtraction. So division and multiplication have first priority, then we have to solve subtraction. But multiplication and division have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay, so first we have to solve this part. So 12 divide 3 is equal to 4 multiply 2 minus 4. Okay, now here is one multiplication, here is one subtraction. So multiplication is first priority, then we have to solve subtraction. Okay, so first we have to multiply this part. So 4 multiplied 2 is equal to 8. 8 minus 4. Now 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. So the correct answer is 4. Okay. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching the video.